Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device, the Rowana. Reading pillow for our bed. This is a back supporter pillow for erecting, for the back cushion for the bed, with adjustable armrest and a headrest. It's suitable for reading, for playing, for relaxing, for television, and it comes in blue and white. We have here in high quality density foam, because this high density foam threaded pillow provides an exceptional structure, support, and retains its shape even after repeated use, unlike thin, inferior cushions that flatten over time. This denser foam makes a good job of course. Yeah, it supported nearly everything. Gently cushioned for our back, shoulders, and neck. It reduced the pressure points and it promotes a correct posture. Whenever we are immersing ourselves in a novel for hours or getting up to work, we will stay comfortable and well supported, and easy to remove and to adjust, because they know what comfort is. That's why they have equipped this back support cushion with a fully removable headrest and armrest. The soft padded headrest provides additional support for the neck and hand, and is ideal for a long reading session or for a nice nap. The armrest prevents our arms from getting tired when holding a book, a tablet, or remote control. And they are easy to remove if we prefer a cleaner and a leaner, more compact design. And we have a multifunctional reading pillow. This back support pillow is not only a companion while we are reading. If we lay the main part flat, it turns into a wedge cushion and thus expands its application possibilities. Whether we are reading in the bed, watching television on the couch, or even needing a supportive pillow to rest, it meets our diverse needs and offers a multiple use in one. That means no more tedious dragging of the heavy pillow from the bed to the couch, because this back cushion bed has a practical handle that allows, as you can see, an easy handle. We carry it with one hand. We take it with us to the bedroom for a cozy reading hour in the morning, to the living room for a movie night, or even to the terrace to relax outdoors. Comfort a companion as everywhere. It is lightweight, robust, and designed for everyday use and easy transport. And it's removable and machine washable cover. Easy to clean, always fresh. Extended tampon, spilled coffee, snack scraps, or everyday dust have no chance against this removable machine washable covers. Simply open the zipper of the cover and throw it in the washing machine for a quick refresh. The soft, breathable fabric of the cover feels comfortable on our skin, so we can relax comfortably with this reading pillow. Of course, if you unpack this, you should wait 24 up to 48 hours for the foam to fully expand, as it has been compressed for shipping. This back cushion is suitable for people who are a maximum of 1.75 meters and a weight of a maximum of 75 kilograms. So take care, you do not have to be a large or a heavy person, because it is a little bit smaller here. Yeah, a little bit smaller, okay? High density foam, washable cushion cover, adjustable headrest, removable armrest, breathable and comfortable. A nice angle for us, for looking television, for have some fun. And ergonomic and user-friendly design comes with comfortable reading, completely relaxing, a pillow for every moment of day and night time. And it's a roomy pocket. Size is 16 inches, 41 centimeter. The armrests are 14 centimeter and 5.5 inches. And it is height about 20 inches. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!